Andrew, thank you so much for taking the time to be with me together today.
It's a pleasure.
Can you tell me a little more about yourself and your company?
Yeah, I'm Andrew Parsons. I represent Professional Advantage. We're based out of London and Australia.
Yep.
We're an organisation that work in various solutions around financial management, integration tools, particularly in the hospitality space with partners globally.
Okay, cool. Look, I'm asking the same question to all the people sitting where you are right now, and that is, we want to have some kind of short-term prediction on how, if and how AI is transforming the industry right now, right? So we're looking probably a year, and the idea is
short-term horizon. Yeah.
The idea is to create like some kind of time capsule. We can look back at HITEC 25 and see if you were right or if you were wrong. So that's a lot of responsibility.
Predictions.
Yeah? Sorry.
No, that's absolutely fine. It's a really interesting area. And actually in the last year, from HITEC 23 to 24,
Yep.
AI is just everywhere now.
Yeah.
And the way I see it going is that many of the solutions that organisations are using have already started to embed AI into their functionality to actually bring that to the fore. But I would say it's going to be small improvements that people will see in the next year. It's here, it's being used. So chatbots, improvement of customer experience, guest service and guest process throughout their journey in the company. But I would say, to me, it's about data. If you don't have a strong data set that is actually well collated and integrated and accurate, there's nothing to actually base your AI capabilities on. If you look at AI predictive capabilities and machine learning, this sort of thing, without that data set, you can't make those strides forward. So in the next year for me, I would see it's people bringing their data together, integrating things using sort of platform-based integration tools that allow you to then look at what AI models could be used against that data to provide those services. So if you look at customer experience, we collect a whole pile of customer data, guest data, and it's actually implementing the right collection of those data points. So when people come and check in, you want to understand more of their preferences, you need to understand things that they may like to see, and that can then feed into those data sets to enable chatbots, to enable the experience to actually then be predicted using AI. So for me, it's improvements in that data collection and understanding how to do that, enabling chatbots and guest experience improvement, data in the background that is solid and able to be used by AI, and then education as well. Staff, there's a fear of AI, and staff retention is important. So to me, it's about education as well. People being able to understand where AI can benefit them and how they can use it as a tool to enable better performance, automate their tasks, things like this. So I think you need to educate. You need to bring data together, and I don't think there's going to be this massive change. It's not going to be this time next year we're saying AI has taken over everything. It's going to be small incremental improvements in guest experience, data availability for these models, thinking about legislation as well, data privacy, how we actually manage that data. These are things that can easily be, you can sleepwalk into having data sets that are then problematic. So you need to be thinking ahead, you need to be prepared, and you need to embrace the cloud as well, because solutions that use AI typically are cloud-based. So I see that people who are using on-premise solutions are going to find it a slower take-up of AI capability, whereas cloud-based solutions that can lever AI algorithms in other places are where you're going to see that big benefit. So I would say this time next year, many more people using cloud-based solutions. Large data sets that are being brought together in a good and integrated way, and then lots of small introduction within their solutions of virtual assistants, chatbots, predictive analysis, giving recommendations, things like this. And it will be a slow improvement, plus a team that understands the benefits and where we are. So
that's crucial.
That will be where I see it.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let's meet again next year.
Yeah, we'll see how I go. Thank you.